Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this discussion, we shall be looking at the geometric proof of the difference of two squares. Before we proceed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Let's look at this particular square on the screen. Let's assume that it has a length A as shown on the screen. This will simply imply that its area is A squared. Remember, the area of a square is length times length, or side times side. Now within this very square, let us also consider that there is another square cut out of it, indicated by the green region you see on the screen. Let's also assume that the size of this particular green square also measure B. Once again, the area of this particular green square is also going to be B squared as shown on the screen. Now the remaining blue region is simply a difference of the two squares, the bigger blue square and the smaller green square. So thus, the area of the remaining blue section is simply going to be A squared minus B squared, as you can see on the screen. Now let's advance and do some deductions. Let's now consider the remaining sides here as shown on the screen, the remaining length of the blue region as you can see on the screen. Now if the whole of this side is A, that means the whole of this side is also A. But then when we take out the B here, that will simply imply that this region here is going to be A minus B. We can also say same for this side as well. Don't also forget that once this is also B, that means this side here is also going to be B as well. Now let's completely eliminate the green section and then rearrange the remaining blue side to form a rectangle. After the rearrangement of the blue remaining parts to form a rectangle, now you realize that we now have a length which is A plus B, and then a width which is A minus B. Remember, the A squared minus B squared was the area of the remaining blue section, which has now been arranged to form a rectangle. Now what is the area of a rectangle? Of course, the area of a rectangle is length times breadth, or length times width. So in that case, we can say that the A squared minus B squared is simply equal to the length, which is the A plus B, times the width, which is the A minus B. And this is exactly the algebraic identity we're talking about. So once again, the difference of two squares has actually been proven again, this time using geometric figures. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.